In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Valorant secure boot and TPM 2.0 error on your HP device. So let's get started. Now I'm going to look at a variety of solutions that you could do to fix this error, and the first one we have is to enable secure boot. So I'm just going to write it down. Enable secure boot. And I'm going to show you how you can do this. So the first step is to access BIOS settings, which is usually by pressing a specific key during startup like F2, delete, or escape. Now you have to navigate to the security or boot section. Then you have to look for the secure boot option and ensure it's enabled. Now some BIOS might require you to set a secure boot password. Well, the second solution is to enable TPM 2.0. Enable TPM 2.0. Now within the same BIOS settings, find the security or chipset section. Look for a TPM device or trusted platform module option. Enable the TPM device and ensure it's set to TPM 2.0 mode. Now some systems might require you to activate the TPM device in Windows. The next solution we have is to check for BIOS updates. Check for BIOS updates. Now visit the HP support website and search for your device model. Now download the latest BIOS update and install it according to the instructions. This might resolve compatibility issues related to secure boots and TPM 2.0. The next solution is to verify Windows update. So verify Windows update. Make sure your Windows operating system is up to date. Install any pending Windows update as they often include security patches that can affect TPM functionality. The next solution we have is to check for TPM device driver issue. So check for TPM device driver issue. If you're still encountering issues, check for any TPM device driver conflicts or updates. You might need to update or reinstall the TPM device driver from HP's support website or device manager. Now, let's say none of these above solutions work, then you'll have to contact HP's technical support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your device model and operating system, and you can reach out to them on their website. So alright guys, that'll be it for the review, or for the tutorial. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.